Hello, in today's video I'm going to be doing an orchid unboxing from chaman911 on eBay. So this is actually a replacement of an orchid that just passed away, and this is an Oncidium Twinkle variety that I don't know if it's particularly rare, but I don't see it offered too often for sale. So when I saw this one, I definitely jumped at the chance. And here they've got some literature about Oncidiums and how to take care of them. Although I think since I've already killed one, I know what not to do. But I guess that's helpful for people who are new to orchids. And here it is. It seems nicely packed. I think this one may have blooms because on the listing it said that they were in bloom, but I don't know how old the listing is, so I don't know if it's still going to be in bloom. I need scissors for this. Okay, I'm back with my scissors. The moment of truth. Oh, look at that. That's a nice surprise. Let me get all this cleaned up. Okay, so here's my Oncidium Twinkle, and it is, let me see if I can get this right. This is Oncidium Twinkle Pink Profusion, and this is like the red one, or I guess the pink variety. And it's honestly my favorite twinkle, and I don't think I have any other twinkles. I have a Siku Marguerite and a different type of twinkle. It's like crossed with a similar species or whatever. But yeah, this is the only twinkle I'm really interested in, and I'm so happy to have it. And it does have 2 spikes. I hope it's not gonna blast these spikes in the transition from where it was growing to where I am right now, because this did come from Michigan. So I'm hoping that these will survive, but if they don't, I have 2 mature growths coming up that may flower. But I'm just happy to have it again, because the other one that I had, once I divided it kind of went downhill, so I'm just going to leave this one alone and let it grow big, and then kind of go from there. So let's check out the roots and see if we can... Oh, okay. Look at that. It's got a ton of healthy roots, so I definitely don't want to do anything with this. If I do repot this, I'm just gonna like stick it in a new cup and just fill in whatever medium I want around that, because I really don't want to disturb the roots, because when I repotted my last twinkle, I took all the old medium off and kind of put it in new medium, or I took as much as I could off. So I'm definitely not going to do that again if and when I do repot this. But yeah, this has been the orchid unboxing of my Oncidium Twinkle Pink Profusion from chaman911 on eBay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.